This tiny bird, no bigger than a bile drop, is considered the fastest creature on Earth because it can flap its wings 80 times per second. This bird is called the hummingbird, known for its incredible agility. Its heart beats like a bullet train, 1,200 times per minute. It can balance itself so perfectly that it can hover in one spot in the air and even fly backward as if in reverse gear. With such incredible speed and movement, it naturally burns a lot of energy. That's why it gets hungry every 10 to 15 minutes. But instead of eating solid food, it drinks. And that too, nectar from flowers. Subscribe for more amazing videos like this.